living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the double. See many people there outside where they feel plans obo. Oh no, I mean
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be working with the lovely Curlyme hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 4x4 HD lace closure unit in water wave, and it is in 26 inches, so she's definitely giving 26 inches. And this unit was made on a 3D dome cap, which allows for you to wear it if your head is bigger, smaller, medium size. It just adjusts to your head size, and it is really nice and snug. So if you'd like to see how I install this wig in under 10 minutes, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase if you would like to off rip. The unit is super affordable and I would highly recommend it. So let's get into today's tutorial.
and the defender like Joseph Yobo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I chatty get even money. If you fall in love, Kelly satin, you go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you right. All I care for the night. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you right. All I care for the night.
I find the assassin if you be the reason why you go, but one day jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I be done with somebody that could do like me. When I be like Musala coming off the right wing, I got to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a house, finesse. You know, show me I'm a snack. Now you can let I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful, finesse. You know, send me a must snack. Like a little carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful,
Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Business. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Good Makulayo, I'm a fair Johnny song. I'm a fair Johnny song.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I did dance for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody.
Alright babes, so I am back and this is what the hair is looking like. We are about 60% dry and I'm going for the wet look today. This hair is from Curlyme Hair and I got their 4x4 HD lace closure unit. It is a 3D dome cap unit, so it can stretch for all head sizes and it is pretty nice and snug, so you know we don't have any bulkiness going on. And even though this is curly hair, it is really flat. The hair is also really full. The fact that it's about 60% dried just shows that once it's dried down, it's definitely getting fuller than this. The 26 inches is definitely doing what it's supposed to do. If this was compared to straight hair right now, this would be giving 24 inches, so it is definitely true to length. And you guys know when you have boobs and you pull your hair forward, it looks shorter. When it's in the back, it's way longer, so it definitely goes all the way down to grazing my behind. And yeah, I love this unit. It's really easy to work with, nice and soft, and I literally did this install in under 10 minutes. Like, if I had to reinstall this unit, because it is glueless, I can pop it off when I feel like it. I did go ahead and use this spray to secure it down, but if I was to reinstall this unit, it would be under 5 minutes. The baby hairs would still be in place, and I'm so happy this wig came pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, so I didn't have to do anything but install. Love that. For me, the work time is cut short, literally in half, and I love it. So if you'd like to purchase this wig from Curlyme Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.